Cars were always my passion. Ever since I was a kid, with my father going to motor shows and stuff, I knew all of the brands. When my father was buying me toys and stuff like cars, within a day I would take that thing apart for no reason. So I always liked the mechanical part of it. That's my favorite part of everything. When I moved to California, I bought my first BMW, which was 2002 E39 530i. Beautiful car, but it needed a little bit of work, and I couldn't exactly afford to take it to the shops to get all of the work done. So I started working on the car myself, started off with small things, and then the obsession kind of grew, so I started buying more neglected BMWs, fixing them up, selling, keeping, and so on. When my work contract expired, I moved to Germany to be with my girlfriend, and the first car that I bought here was E39 M5. Same color as that one, just a pre-facelift, and I bought it near Nürburgring. So I drove it at night from Nürburgring to Berlin, and that's when I fell in love with that car. 2019, I decided to start a YouTube channel. So I bought a 7 Series with the sole purpose of starting the channel. People liked what I was doing, and from there it just kind of grew. I was getting more cars, more projects. 2 years ago, I quit my job, and I turned what was my hobby into a full-time dream job. I have a degree in computer science. I don't have a degree in mechanical engineering or anything like that. The way I operate and work on cars, I do lots of research, I talk to people, but most importantly, I use factory repair manuals. That's what I love to convey to the audience, that they can do a lot of stuff on their own. And as I always say, just start with small stuff. Every car is a different experience where you learn more and more. My E39 M5, it's one of the first facelift models for the series. It was built in September 2000. All of the internals inside the engine, they're all completely original. It's my favorite car. Every time I sit in it, turn the key, it just feels like home. In German registration papers, it says M539. I kind of took inspiration from that, and so the channel name is M539 Restorations. I'm Sreten, and I'm on a mission to save and restore as many classic BMWs as I can.